Hi there, Melody from WTI. Are you afraid of the dark? Well, you don't need to be with your new little friend here from MikoDream Kids. This adorable little alarm is just what you need. Check it out. This adorable little alarm clock really reminds me of a little puppy. It is so stinking cute. Has the speaker here. The little ears on the side are soft, and that's where the light emits from. And if you click twice here on the top, it goes from a brighter light to a little dimmer night light for them at nighttime. So they're never going to be scared. It's got the little feet on the bottom here, so cute. And that's where you charge it. And the charge with your USB lasts a very long time. Now here at the back, around the cute little puppy tail, you have the temperature that you can adjust. It's the indoor temperature, the volume up and down. It's got 2 alarm clocks that you can set. And of course, there's the music. You've got 5 choices. Listen up. But if you're not ready to wake up when the alarm goes off, just give it a shake and you got snooze for another 5 whole minutes. So this responds to touch, to movement as well. So when they get up in the middle of the night, they're not going to feel alone because it's going to light up a little bit for them. And you can even get a little response by giving it a little shake. So it's a really fun, interactive little toy as well. So if you're looking for the perfect little alarm clock for that special little someone in your life, I suggest this one here from the MikoDream Kids. They're going to love how it responds to their voice, responds to a touch, even responds to a little shake. Everyone is going to absolutely love it. And that's my point of view.